Is it visible to you? Relations. Okay. So first, before going to start the relations, already we have started the Cartesian product of the two sets. So do anyone know what is meant by a relation? Yes.
And we have to consider the subset of hydrogen molecules is called relation.
Yes. Relation is a simple thing is that it is a subset of the Cartesian product of the two sets. So suppose let us take the one example here. Rita is the sister of the John, and John is a student of Mr. Smith. Okay. So this bus belongs to the school. Some sentences are given to you here. Relation here it is forming. Rita is the sister of the John. John is a student of Mr. Smith. This bus belongs to the school. So there is a relation between the bus and school, John and Mr. Smith, and Rita and John. So what is the relation here? We are forming here sister is the relation in the first case. Second case, student is the relation. Okay. Third case belongs to the school. The particular buses belongs to the school. So these are the connections or the associations we are having between the different elements of the different elements. So relation gives the connection or an association between the objects and ideas, quantities or individuals. But usually coming to the mathematics point of view, originally relation is nothing but Cartesian product is relation also exists between the groups of the objects, ideas, quantities, and individuals, which forms sets. Which forms the sets. So now here Cartesian product of the two sets already you have learned. What is Cartesian product of the two sets? Ordered pairs should be taken into consider. Set up all the possible ordered pairs in which first element is from the first set, second element is from the second set, and S and D are the sets if you are considering. We write this as a S cross D, and which contains the ordered pairs in such a way that the first element is from the first set, second element is from the second set. Okay. So like that, all the ordered pairs. And when you take here any, there will be a compulsory one relation between these two elements, whatever you are taking here in the Cartesian product. Okay. So now here X is the set which contains the elements mathematics, biology, and chemistry, and Y is the set which contains the elements sets, atoms, cells, circles, and force. Like this, different terminology is taken in the Y set, and all the possible ordered pairs are listed here. This will represent the Cartesian product of the two sets X cross Y. We read it as X cross Y, the Cartesian product of the two sets whenever you consider. Is it audible to you, Subhranjit?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now here, these are the all the possible ordered pairs are written here. All possible here. Now R is a such that X comma Y is the topic of X. X belongs to X and Y belongs to Y. That is nothing but Y is the topic of X. X वो particular subject का topic है. Relation here. So this is the set builder form of the relation. And roster form, whenever you take into consider, mathematics is a subject and it is going to have the sets topic. And mathematics circles होगा, biology cells होगा, chemistry atom होगा. Separate relation is given to you here in this situation. What is the relation given here? X and Y का बीच में relation क्या दे दिया है? Y is the topic of X such that X belongs to X and Y belongs to Y. So there is a relation between these two coordinates. What is a mathematics and sets is there. So the relation between the sets is the topic of the mathematics. Y is the topic of X. Y is the topic of X. So sets is the topic of mathematics. Atoms is the topic of chemistry. Cells is the topic of biology. So like this, one relation is formed. And what are the elements we are getting in this relation? We call this roster form and a set builder form. So this, whatever we are getting, it is a subset of this Cartesian product. So obviously it is a subset of the Cartesian product. So that's why any subset, if you are taking into consider, it is in a relation you can consider. Why? Because although you can form the one relation between the x coordinate and y coordinates, any subset if you are taking into consider. Okay, so this is the arrow diagram. When we are taking into consider arrow diagram also, we are going to get it here. See here, this is the representation of the arrow diagram. So mathematics two sets को circles को है, biology cells को है, chemistry atoms को है. Okay, relation can be described in different ways. Relations can be list form or roster form, what we have seen already now. Mathematics, comma, sets, like that. Arrow diagram, visual representation is already shown to you. Okay, set builder form. So a relation from a non-empty set, this is the original definition. Non-empty set A to the non-empty set B can be defined as a subset of A cross B, which is obtained describing the relation between the first element and the second element of the ordered base. So that is nothing but actually you may get doubt here. Sir, any subset if you are taking, whether it becomes a relation for any Cartesian product. Yes, any subset. We can form the relation between the x coordinate and y coordinate. X coordinate, y coordinate के बीच में any relation form कर सकते हैं. वो दिखता नहीं है हमको as well. So that's why you can simply say that any subset of the Cartesian product of the two sets is considered as a relation. Cartesian product का any substitute है. So suppose if a Cartesian product is containing the three elements, Cartesian product is containing the three elements. Three elements possible है. First element is going to have the three elements. Second set is going to have the one element. Then automatically three ordered pairs you are going to get. So the property that explains how the elements in each ordered pair. Here you see here the property that explains how the elements in each ordered pair are related is called the rule of the relation or the formula of the relation. In the previous example, what is the rule here? Example we have taken. So it is a topic of the y. Y is the topic of the x. Y is the topic of x. The topic whatever we are taking is called as a relation, a rule of the relation, or it is a formula of the relation. Sometimes it may be given to you that the relation between the x and y as a one equation, x plus y is equals to 10. X plus y is equals to 10. So when it is given to you like that, sometimes you may get the empty set also. Empty set whenever you are getting, that is also a relation. Okay, so let us discuss all the things very clearly here. The property that explains how the elements in each ordered pair are related is called the rule of the relation. Okay, so now let us consider the one problem whatever we have discussed, x comma y. Y is the topic of x. Here set up the first coordinates of all the ordered pairs whatever you are getting is called the domain of that particular relation. It is called as a domain. Means what is the domain of this situation here? Mathematics. First set में क्या use कर लिया means all the first elements should be taken into consider. ये है relation. ये relation है. First elements क्या है? Mathematics, biology, chemistry. But mathematics 2 times should not be written. As you like most mathematics. मुझे बहुत पसंद है सर. हाँ मैं 2 बार लिखूंगा. नहीं रे. Sets accept नहीं करेगा. Set में एक element एक ही बार लिखना. One time only you have to write. So that rule you are not supposed to forget. So that's why the domain is mathematics, biology, and chemistry. So all the first elements, if you write as a one set, you are going to get it as a domain. They call it the domain. Okay? Domain बोले तो समझ में आया ना? What is meant by domain? Okay? The next thing is that all the second elements set up the second coordinates of the ordered pairs is called the range of the R. So in this situation, what is the range? Can anyone tell? Sets, atoms, cells, circles, force. No force. Because force is not used here. Only sets, circles, cells and atoms are used as the second ordered pair. आप सेकंड सेट में एक्स्ट्रा एक फोर्स खाली बैठा है, इसको रेंज में नहीं लेना, So all the second elements, whatever you are second set, whatever you are going to take, is called a codomain. It is called as a codomain. Now range is nothing but what are the second elements are present in the relation. Relation में क्या क्या है वो है. So now codomain of the F is nothing but all the elements. Second set, whatever it is there, the second set completely should be taken as a codomain. Second set को codomain बोलते हैं. First set को directly domain नहीं है बोलना. Okay. Relation में क्या क्या है उन first elements of the first array. Total number of the relation that can be defined from the set A to B is the number of possible subsets of A cross B. A cross B का possible subsets है. So if n of A is equals to P and n of B is equals to Q, then n of A cross B is equals to P into Q. A set is containing the three elements means number of subsets of that set is 2 power 2. Eight subsets will be there. So the set is containing the PQ elements, P into Q. This set is containing the PQ elements. And total number of the relations we are going to get is nothing but total number of the subsets. So that is 2 power PQ. 2 power PQ, yes. Why we are taking 2 here? Very good question here. Actually, when you are coming here, there is a chapter of permutations and combinations. Permutations and combinations. In that place, we are going to learn why we get here only 2 power. Number of possible subsets. That is a formula actually. Till now you remember, try to remember as a formula. 3 elements are there. 3 elements are. So all the possible subsets you need to take into consideration. So in the chapter of permutations and the combinations, while explaining, we completely talked in Divertose. So at that time, you are going to learn that why we are getting this 2 power. But now you have to remember that it is number of subsets. Normally check 2 power, 3 elements, any 3 elements, A, B, C level. Number of possible subsets means yesterday we have listed all the possible subsets. After listing all the possible subsets, number of subsets, 4 elements वाला का problem ले लिया हम लोग. 16 ordered pairs, 16 subsets we got. In the problem we have listed. Okay. So like that, 2 power of number of elements of that particular set is called number of possible subsets. Okay. So 2 power PQ is the number of possible relations. That is number of possible subsets. Okay. This is the relation whenever you are taking, it's a subset only. Mainly concept of the subset only that you need to remember. So here x is equals to mathematics, biology, chemistry, y is equals to sets. That sets are taken into consideration. Now n of x is equals to 3, n of y is equals to 5, n of 3x is equals to 3, and n of y is equals to 5. So number of elements in actually here it is a cross b is given, not a cross b. It is x cross y. Because x sets are taken as a x and y. So x cross y should be given to you. Oh, that is 15 elements are there. Total number of relations are possible relations 2 power 15. It's a very big number, the 2 power 15, whatever you are taking into consider. Okay.